Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you download and sign up for Pinterest. Now Pinterest is an image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the internet using images and on a smaller scale animated GIFs and videos. Now to download Pinterest on a device, simply open Play Store on your Android phone. And if you are on iOS, then simply open App Store on a device and search Pinterest on the search box. After that, you will be able to see the option of install highlighted on green on Android, whereas you will be able to see the option of get highlighted on blue on iOS. Simply click on it to install on a device and wait for it to get installed. After the installation process, you will see the option of open. Simply click on it to open on a device. Now there you will see the option of continue with Facebook, continue with Google, or simply enter your email address to continue. And you may choose the email address which you want to keep on your Pinterest and click on continue. Now you need to create a password for your account. Make sure that you input strong password so that no one can hack or log into your account, and simply click on next to continue. Now enter your full name and click on next to continue. Now enter your age and click on next to continue. Now if you want to save your Pinterest password, then simply click on save password, or if you don't want, then simply click on neighbor. Now choose the gender which you are. If you are male, female, or specify another gender, simply choose the option. You need to select your country or region. Simply click on the arrow like option which is at the very right of the country, and select the country where you are from. So I'm from Nepal and I'm selecting Nepal and click on next. Now you need to pick 5 or more topics which you want to show on your Pinterest, or simply click on next. And now after selecting the 5 topics, you need to simply click on the next option which is at the very top right. Now your home feed is being made. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can sign up for your Pinterest account. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.